Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get the ears crocheted in place. What I'm gonna do is take the back of the ear, and that's gonna go against the back of the lion head. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna go through the last stitch of the last row of my ear, and I'm gonna go through the next stitch of my head, yarn over, pull up a loop. You're gonna complete a single crochet stitch as normal. Okay, and then we're gonna do that one more time, completing 2 single crochet stitches through the ear. In. Okay, after your 2 single crochet ear stitches, your ear should look like this with the yarn tail in the back hanging out, the yarn tail from tying off the ear in the middle of the head, and that should be in place like that. Okay, so we're gonna get our second ear crocheted in place. Again, we're working from the last stitch of the last row of the ear and the first stitch of the last row of that ear. So your ear is gonna go back of the ear, back of the head. We're gonna crochet through that last stitch. You're gonna find the next stitch of your head and go through there, completing a single crochet stitch as normal. The yarn tail from tying off the ear can just fall into the center of the head, going into my next stitch here. Okay, and with both your ears attached, it should look like this. Okay, so we're gonna be tying the ears down. In order to do that, you're gonna take your darning needle and go through the yarn tail of the back of the ear that is sticking out from the back of the head. I'm gonna take that and I'm just gonna go straight through the back of the head, right at the base of the ear, and pull that through. And then you're gonna take the 2 yarn tails from the same ear and you're gonna tie those in a knot. This is gonna help the ear stay in place and stand upright. Okay? So it should look like that when it's done. And we'll go ahead and do the other side. Take this, going through the base of the ear, pulling that through, and then the 2 yarn tails from the same ear, tying those in place. Okay, so you should have no yarn tails sticking out of the back of the head, and they should all be in the middle of the head.